natural bruxism and TMJ treatment, helpful tips. Did anyone tell you about your disturbing nightly teeth grinding? Or have you experienced pain in the jaw, neck and ear right after you wake up? If you experience all these, then you definitely have bruxing. Popularly known as grinding or clenching of teeth, bruxism is a type of behavior that usually happens during the person is asleep or even during daytime. So to address this type of medical condition, here are some natural bruxism treatment that could help you minimize or even stop bruxism, including other side effects that may arise. 1. Mouth guards. This is the simplest form of remedy for bruxism. Prevention is indeed better than cure. Through the use of mouth guards, people who are suffering from bruxism can prevent their teeth from getting in contact. Also, mouth guards are considered as the most practical way to naturally treat this condition, but on the other hand, it cannot prevent the fact that clenching will continue. 2. Breathing through the mouth is another natural bruxism treatment. By letting your mouth focus on another activity, your body has to get used to breathe through the mouth while sleeping. This type of TMJ relief may sound very odd, but it has proven effective for those who had successfully breathed through their mouth. Once you master this skill, your body will start to relax and jaw clenching is already a thing of the past. 3. The taste method. People who are suffering from bruxism also use their state buds as their TMJ relief. This may seem odd, but people who have this condition will bite on something that will taste bad or sour. By doing this, it can stop teeth grinding, for moving their tongue will only simulate the taste. By trying these simple methods, you can stop teeth grinding and the clenching of teeth will be avoided. Bruxism may be a simple health condition, but it can go worse if it's not treated properly. These exercises may seem difficult at first, but it can lead you to better health and a good night's sleep for people around you.